Is someone hijacking your listing, changing your images, or filing IP complaints against you? If you don't have Amazon brand registry, then your business is at risk. So today, welcome back to my channel. We will talk about brand registry, how to register brand on Amazon. So after watching this video, you will know how to qualify for Amazon brand registry, step-by-step registration procedure, common rejection reasons and fixes, how brand registry protects you from hijack and IP issues, advanced tools only brand owners get. So without brand owner, what it helps? Amazon sides with whoever added first, like generic listings, which says no brand. There is no brand to the listing. So what are the requirements for brand registry? You should have a registered trademark, USPTO, and then that trademark can be text-based or logo-based, active or pending, and then brand must name must match listing brand field match trademark exactly. So the common mistakes people do: brand name mismatch, using reseller invoices, trademark not listed to correct marketplace. Meaning, let me explain. See this: before registering a brand, you need to register in USPTO. For USPTO, you need to have you need following things like the requirements. These are the following things which you need: 2 to 3 sales link corresponding to different 2 3 subcategories of application, like physical pictures of corresponding links, screenshots of order records for corresponding sales. Okay, previously what happens? You can file an application, and then afterwards, what you can do, you can use the serial number and create a then go for the brand registry on Amazon. But nowadays this is a bit different. You need to first create a listing as a generic product with your brand name embedded on the product itself, a real product. Then afterwards you need to create that listing, you need to create professional images, all the data. Then afterwards you will go for brand registry. So we have selected this Hydro Nation brand. And what can we do? Like if you don't have Amazon and you are selling it on eBay, Walmart, Shopify, so then you need to show orders on it. You need to show real orders. So you list the product, you get some order, then you need that proof to be submitted with the brand registry. So before registering the brand, what you need to do, first of all, you need to get this hydronation checked with in the Amazon brand registry, like USPTO website. If there are similar brand registered over there, let's say we can go to USPTO website, and we go to trademark search. We go to trademark search, and here we go, trademark search. And then we search this. We see that if there is anything else. Okay, so you see here. So there is, okay, so sports drink, sports drinking, or sports drink. Okay, so our category is basically water bottle. We're selling tumblers. So this category is like totally different. It's a drinking brand. You need to check both things. Either the words or that logo is available, and either if that logo and word is not available, then the services or goods they're selling that can match. If these both cannot match, then this brand you can do, and you can register this brand with Amazon brand registry. That is your first step. Then you need a logo. So for that logo, you can do two types. One, this only text, this symbol is not included, and the other is this symbol. This symbol and this text makes your logo, and you can take this logo and you can then move ahead with the brand application. So normally it takes like 2 to 14 days to apply for like trademark registration. Once the serial number is issued, then afterwards you will go to the Amazon brand registry page. Here you go, you will put the brand name, and you will put the brand logo. As I explained, here you put the serial number or registration number, and this registration serial number will be provided to you by the application person, like who will file the application. They will provide you the serial number. Then afterwards, you need to select a category. So we are a tumbler, so we'll select a relevant category for the tumblers. We can do home and kitchen. Then afterwards, you need to provide the ASIN. If it is Amazon, then you need to provide the ASIN here with all the details, pictures, everything. If there is other website, you need to provide the picture link here. Let's say the image is, let's say ASIN. Let's put something randomly just to show you. So let's say this is the ASIN. We go back, we put in the ASIN, and we click add. Okay, so now we need to provide some product images. Let's say add something randomly. Let's say add this, and here, add something randomly, and let's see, randomly, and then afterwards you need to upload something here as well, just to add something randomly. Okay, so I'm adding it randomly so that we can go ahead. Okay, so now if the serial number is not correct, this application will not move. So for the serial number to work, you should have original trademark application file. I can show you mine. One second. Okay, find my trademark application. One second. You see here. This way you need to put the logo on your product. You see here in this image, and you need to have a logo on the box as well, like this. Then you need to go for trademark application startup. Okay, so here you go. This one. So this is my trademark, and I have the registration number here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I have a registered brand. Let me see. Trademark application, enroll a brand, and then you need to enroll your brand and put the hibernation here. And let's see, we can move commas. Okay, so you see here this trademark order. If there is a real application number, then it will work here. Then you need to go to next information and you need to add your business information and then you need to add the products and detailed information and that's it. You will submit and your brand registry will get started. That will take 2 to 14 days to get approved. So common mistakes, what happens why the brand registry gets rejected? First of all, you have not updated listing brand name exactly. Like you need to take the capitalization, you need to take each word exactly as it is in your trademark application. Like let's say here, mine is Mosu, a simple word with complete text. So I need to add it exactly like that. And then the trademark is not visible, meaning either the application is filed or either it is completely published. So if it is not in that state, then it will probably get rejected. Then product image is not brand. Like we have placed product images, but there is no brand imposed on your product, packaging, and anything else included in there. So that is why the brand registry can get rejected. Amazon check images very carefully. So that is why you need to be very careful. So once you are approved after 14 days, you will have access to new tools, A plus content pages, EBC pages, brand analytics, sponsored brands, brand storefront, transparency codes, and IP complaint tools. And now, one more thing which most people don't know, that IP A plus content is also available to non-branded listings as well now for this singular listing. But best is to first register your brand and then use it. This is for private label sellers. And after your brand is completely registered, now you have the confidence that your listing is going good. You can file complaints with authority. You can remove hijackers faster. You can control your listing edits, and you can reduce false inauthentic complaints. So that's it for the. If your brand registry got stuck or get rejected with any reason, you can tell me in comments. I'll try to help you and try to get you registered. And if you need any help from my end, because we just do not deliver services, we build brands and we get them protected by Amazon Brand Registry. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.